All right, we got a 2011 GMC Sierra front hub bearing. This is on the non-4-wheel drive, non-all-wheel drive model. So this is what we're doing. We remove the tire. You remove the brake caliper along with the brake caliper bracket. Those are going to be 218mm bolts. You should have a T30 Torx bit on one of the rotors to remove it off of the hub. Once you do that, you have 3 15mm bolts. End it. 1, 2, 3. Sorry for the lighting, but you'll see them back there, and they'll be in the same position as the bolt pattern right there, triangular bolt position. That's the new hub, of course. Sits right on there. That's the back of the hub. That's the front of the hub. So just take those 3 bolts off in the back. Swap them out. Make sure when you're done with this job, you put Loctite on the back of these caliper bracket bolts and on the back of these hub bearing bolts. If not, do not put this Loctite on these caliper bolts. This caliper will shake loose and come off. I don't care what anybody told y'all, this will happen. And this is a 2007, should be pretty much from 07 to 13, 14. Anything pretty much non-all-wheel drive, non-4-wheel drive, GM model. So that's all you do. It's about a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then your lugs. So you're good. You know, always remember, you want to verify if you have ABS, because the ABS sensor does hook up. The electrical connector right there runs up. That's a pigtail disconnects. Make sure you have the right part. Make sure that the part contains either the new ABS sensor or has the designated area to place the sensor in. We will return with the new product installed. Okay, so got it off. There's a dust plate that comes off right here. This dust plate sits under, just like this. It sits under like that. You see the hose will correspond, and just keep that little space back there for the harness. Now the harness here, it's gonna run up first to here. It's gonna have a tab, pry it out, and then the plug runs up in here. Your flathead screwdriver, pry it off, disconnect this harness for the ABS sensor. Also, you want to suspend your brake caliper in the air with something, the bungee cord, zip tie or something, so it doesn't fall around and risk damaging the brake line right there if it falls too hard. So it's off. We will finish putting Loctite on all of our bolts and go ahead and go back together with it. Okay, now I got the bolts in there by hand. Go ahead and take the 15mm, turn them up. Okay, so ratchet died. So, go manual with it. You get the idea. 1, 2, 3 bolts, triangular pattern, put the Loctite, tighten them up. You come out here and you put your brake caliper back on. Dust cover first, then brake caliper. And your tire, and you're good to go. Get back. Make sure you don't do the caliper slide pins, you do the caliper mounting bracket bolts. Because if you do the caliper slide pins, it's only going to take off this part of the caliper And the caliper mounting bracket will not let this rotor come off and will not let you get to the hub. 2 bolts. One right there. And then one directly below it. Right there. Caliper slide-in pin bolt, caliper mounting bracket. See? Sliding pin right behind it, in front of it, it's the mounting bracket. Loctite there. There. And the blue one's behind the hub. Then you simply that ladder right there. Right here. This is where you want to run your harness through right there. Just push that in. That'll stay in place. And this one over here. And then plug it up. This comes with the new little clip. You can just pull that out with a flathead or unclip this one and just reclip it and replug it and you're set.